ChatGPT is dominating the planet. After only a few months since the advanced software was made open source by AI gem, OpenAI, Microsoft is about to finalize a $10 billion investment in ChatGPT. The strong AI toolset search engine hits have surged. Users of all skill levels are beginning to explore new and inventive methods to incorporate AI, from algo trading to due diligence. You may also be curious about ChatGPT and how it can affect your trading approach in the future. What exactly is ChatGPT? How does ChatGPT function? Can you trade using ChatGPT? What exactly is algo trading? How does the current status of AI affect large tech businesses like Google and Microsoft? We will answer this and more, so watch the video till the end. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. What is ChatGPT? OpenAI developed ChatGPT, a chatbot. It can be communicated with in the same manner that you would have dealt with less advanced chatbots in the past. Consider the Amazon customer care chatbot or the Apple appointment scheduling chatbot. GPT, or Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a language model meant to speak with people in a natural and intuitive manner, employing language processing techniques to interpret and write human-like writing. ChatGPT's purpose is to build a chatbot that can have realistic, open-ended discussions with people about a wide range of topics. ChatGPT can have genuine conversations as well as execute a variety of linguistic tasks as composing original content, answering queries, and generating replies to prompts. You might ask ChatGPT to summarize lengthy passages of text or documents, as well as produce novels, poetry, or other creative works. It can produce visual explanations and captions, as well as translate text from one language to another. Some individuals are even utilizing ChatGPT to create code and computer scripts because the AI can write in a number of different languages. How does ChatGPT work? The AI learns to guess the next word in the sequence based on the context supplied by the preceding words after being fed large amounts of information. It learns to construct coherent phrases and paragraphs in this manner. Once trained, the model may be used to produce text by prompting it and enabling it to write text based on the patterns it discovered during training. The generated text is not a carbon copy of the text on which it was trained, but rather an original piece of text that is stylistically and content-ally comparable to the training material. Can you use ChatGPT to trade? Yes, sort of. While ChatGPT is extremely smart and clever, it does not have internet or information access until 2021. ChatGPT specifically states that it is unable to give tailored financial advice to users who want trading assistance. ChatGPT has the potential to give incorrect findings if it is unable to analyze news or fresh data as it occurs. This is good to have some fun, but becomes a severe concern when asked to manage important financial calls with serious consequences for the user who relies on the algorithm to work efficiently. As a result, ChatGPT falls short of being a useful tool for evaluating instruments or the greater market in the context of current events. While ChatGPT cannot replace a personal trading assistant, it may be utilized to automate many of the workflows that a trader will encounter. It can, for example, be used to summarize vast volumes of information, saving traders time when responding to data and report releases that inform trading choices. Alternatively, Traders may and do already employ AI systems created expressly to execute trades. This is referred to as algo trading. What is algo trading? Algorithmic trading, often known as algo trading, is the automated placement of transactions on an exchange or over-the-counter using computer programs and algorithms. These trades are based on a prearranged set of criteria, which can be as basic as buy on a drop or as sophisticated as a multi-factor model that takes into account a wide variety of market data. One of the primary benefits of algo trading is its speed. Trades can be performed far faster than a human trader could since they are placed mechanically. This is especially useful in fast-moving markets or when there is a lot of trading activity. Algo trading also aids in the reduction of emotional bias, which can frequently impact trade decisions. Algo traders might avoid making hasty judgments based on fear or greed by following a set of established criteria. However, employing AI to trade needs a considerable upfront investment and knowledge to build up the appropriate infrastructure, which includes high-speed computers and complex software. Furthermore, algo trading is dependent on the accuracy of the algorithms and models utilized, which may be influenced by a number of factors as data quality and market circumstances. In shifting market circumstances, the rules that an AI is built to function under can rapidly change from flawless to disastrous, which means that algo traders must continually review and alter strategy to generate the greatest outcomes. We would love to know how excited are you with AI and ChatGPT taking over the internet. Let us know if algo trading is going to help you in trading crypto or not. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.